I'd played soccer all my life, but I wasn't a great soccer player. I mean, it was okay, but I'm a slowpoke, so I was still on the bench. I found out Houston Baptist University had a NCAA Division I soccer team, and I tried out for the team, and I made the team. It was like overnight jock. It was so exciting. A couple of weeks into the season, coach says, come to my office, got to talk to you. Close the door, sit down. Obviously, you had an incredible day on tryout a couple of weeks ago because you're really not that good. He said, you're too slow, man. You're holding us back. The new rule around here is you get to play only if we're winning by 2 goals because you're a threat to our own team. That's what he said. Yeah, he's a real motivator. but I was on that team for 3 years. I'm sitting on the bench. This is what the games are like. Sitting on the bench, we score a goal. I get excited. We score another goal. I get to play. Other team scores. Got to sit down. That was it. 5 minutes a game. Right? But I was on the team. And that was important to me. And around that time, the Olympics roll around again. 1984 Sarajevo Winter Olympic Games. And I'm watching them on TV. And I see this little guy. It's about 5'1". He must have been 110 pounds soaking wet. This kid wins the gold medal in figure skating, Scott Hamilton. Now, when I saw Scott Hamilton, everything changed. I said to myself, if that little guy can win, I can at least play. I'm going to be in the next Olympics no matter what. It's a done deal. I just have to find a sport. Does that make sense? I mean, I've been playing soccer all my life. I'm only good enough to be a bench warmer, but I'm going to be in the Olympics in 4 years? Well, all I can tell you is I believed. For the first time in my life, I believed. I had the desire before, right? But I never had the belief. Now I had the belief. Belief will get you going. Desire will keep you going. If you want it badly enough, ain't nothing going to make you quit, right? So you got to have them both.